Welcome to Kannimar t-shirt. You will previously know this channel a different name. Our brand has been rebranded. We are Kannimar, one of the biggest manufacturer in Tirupur. In this video, we are a present our premium quality product within 190 GSM Biowash sleeve t-shirts. So let's talk about the fabric quality of these t-shirts. It is a premium quality product. We used red label yarn, very premium quality. If this fabric is 100% cotton, premium quality, 190 GSM, red labeled Biowash fabric. This product comes in 7 sizes in 15 vibrant trendy colors. We offer t-shirts in these 50 colors, but we always have 15 colors in stock. For other colors, we require a minimum order of 100 pieces per color through custom orders. Product started from this premium quality products began at 117 rupees. Also, each sizes extra 8 rupees. You want more details? Please contact us. Sage green, olive green, steel grey, slate, peacock green or teal blue, yellow, black, ice blue, white, maroon, rosewood, coffee brown, light orange or tangerine, navy blue. Contact number already displayed in your screen. Get our product delivered anywhere in India. Just choose your nearest transport option. Apart from this, we manufacture more than 40 other items. Welcome to Kannimar t-shirts.